Oven-baked chicken breast breaded with crispy panko topped with a tangy lemon sauce. We've got an easy weeknight meal idea in the works. Let's make tangy lemon chicken. Oh, this recipe is really good. We're gonna do chicken breasts breaded with panko. We're gonna do it out of this world lemon sauce, and then we're gonna boost that sauce with colorful vegetables. You'll have a fantastic meal on the table in between 30 and 40 minutes. Just make sure you watch to the end of this video because it's kind of like a 2-for-1 special. Pucker up, let's get going. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. The rack is in the middle position. Take a baking sheet, line it with foil, and then insert a wire rack. That was a light bulb moment, right? We're gonna be oven baking this chicken, so there is no messy deep frying involved. Let's get that chicken ready next. 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a sharp knife to cut them in half. We're creating 2 cutlets. We're gonna put them into a bowl. Then in a small bowl, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil plus 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. We're gonna whisk them together, pour onto the chicken breasts. Our hands are washed, and then toss the cutlets around to coat evenly. Now we're gonna make a seasoned breading. 3/4 of a cup of panko crumbs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. This is gonna help that chicken get crispy. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir to combine. Spill the breading onto a pie plate or a dinner plate. Now grab a cutlet, place it onto the breading, push it down, flip, and repeat. Then transfer to the wire rack on the baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining cutlets and watch this. Spoon the last few crumbs of breading onto each cutlet. Do not waste 1 crumb of this deliciousness. So that was another light bulb moment, right? So no dredging in flour, no dipping in egg. There's no messy cleanup from all that breading. Instead, we kept this recipe simple and easy. Transfer the chicken breasts to the oven. We're gonna let them bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until cooked through to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is baking, let's make the tangiest lemon sauce in the history of lemon sauce. I'm gonna do a fancy overhead shot to show you the induction cooker. We're gonna make the sauce from scratch. Medium saucepan, moderate heat, add 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/3 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir to combine. We're gonna heat until the sauce bubbles and thickens. Next, we're adding the juice from 1 lemon as well as the zest. Unexpected, but here's your zing, 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple. Lastly, this is the game changer for this lemon sauce recipe, 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. Wait until you try it. Add the lemon extract, then stir everything together. You have a tangy lemon sauce that is super delicious. Time out, time for our 2-for-1 special. I want you to remember this lemon sauce because it's a standalone recipe. So the next time you're making a beautiful fish dish or pork chops, or check this out, how about beautiful, tender, crispy chicken fingers? You can dip them into this lemon sauce. Amazing. But I digress. Let's get back to this tangy lemon chicken recipe. Let's enhance the sauce to make the dish even more visually appealing. We're gonna take a sharp knife and julienne a handful of snow peas, julienne 1 carrot, and a couple of green onions. Then add the snow peas, the carrot, the green onion to our lemon sauce. Stir everything together. Perfect. Ding, ding, ding. Right about now, that chicken is done. Bring the chicken out of the oven. It is golden and crispy and perfectly prepared. Over to a cutting board. Cut it on an angle into 1-inch strips. Look how tender and juicy. Transfer those strips of chicken to a serving plate. Then add the sauce, that gorgeous color combination of the veggies. The sauce gets soaked up into the chicken. You can garnish at the end with some chopped green onions. To serve, keep it simple, our tangy lemon chicken. Then steamed rice, maybe an easy veggie side. Ladle extra sauce right before you serve. How amazing is that? Know what else is amazing? The full recipe is up for you to reference at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a weeknight meal is this beautiful and delicious, take a picture of it and post it using hashtag weekend@thecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Tangy lemon chicken. Get ready for tons of flavor. Oh.